You can change the speed in your video and create various effects or achieve specific goals. But how do you do it in AquaSoft? Here you see my timeline. I already have 3 videos. No, I have 3 versions of the same video, and you've already seen it in the preview. I've used different video speeds. Here this is the normal tempo, and then I have sped the video up to 200% of its original speed, and the third version is a slowed down video. Maybe you ask yourself, well, that's all good, but how do I do it? So let's just delete everything I have in my timeline, and now I will go to my files section and I will just choose this nice video I have found on Pixels, I think. And now you see the object settings. You have the section speed and maximum speed, and there's always the 100%, and you can change it to maybe 20%, but that doesn't make much sense. So maybe you choose 50%, or you can go up to 200%. You can go even higher if you change the maximum speed here. And maybe now you're asking yourself, why does it have 2 speed options? Well, that's because you have this curve icon here in stages. And if you click on this curve icon, you can choose variable speed. Then you have this line, which can easily be changed into a curve, and you can see the highest point of our curve is at 200%. You can go down, you can go up, but you can never go higher than 200% unless you change it here. You have to think about what you're doing. It doesn't always make much sense, but there are some good examples where you really need a very fast motion or a very fast speed change. For example, you can change the speed of a clip to create a smooth transition between different scenes or shots. You can slow down a clip as it transitions into the next scene, and this can sometimes help to create a kind of natural flow. Or maybe you're seeing a music video that's very fast-paced and there are some speed changes that can help create an energetic and dynamic visual experience. Or maybe you have more of a documentary style in your video. You could use a time-lapse of a city or landscape. In fact, time-lapse is one of the easiest ways to use this speed change. You just have to create a normal video and then you can speed it up in AquaSoft Stages or even in AquaSoft Video Vision. But please keep in mind that when using the speed changes, it's important to use them purposefully and sparingly, as overusing them can make your video look amateurish and maybe a little bit distracting. Anyway, I hope this helps. And maybe you have already discovered this effect but haven't used it yet. So now's your time. Go use the effects and have fun with it. Bye!